Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Step 1. To begin, you must establish a rigorous, yet realistic, 1-month study plan. This intense period requires dedication, so aim for 8 to 10 hours of focused study each day. Prioritize high-yield topics and integrate active recall methods from the start. Remember, consistent effort over this short duration is key to success. We will cover specific resources and strategies to optimize your preparation. For content review, first aid should be your foundational text, guiding your study. Pair this with Pathoma for a comprehensive understanding of pathology, which is crucial. For microbiology and pharmacology, resources like Sketchy Micro and Sketchy Pharm are highly effective for visual learners. Aim to understand the underlying mechanisms, not just memorize facts, as this approach yields better long-term retention and application on the exam. Practice questions are paramount for Step 1 success. Commit to completing at least 100 questions every day from a reputable question bank. Critically review every explanation, understanding why each answer choice is correct or incorrect. This active learning process solidifies knowledge and identifies weak areas. Additionally, integrate a spaced repetition system, like Anki, to reinforce high-yield facts and ensure long-term memory retention. A structured daily schedule is vital. Divide your 8 to 10 hours of study into manageable blocks, incorporating short, 20-minute breaks every 2 hours. Prioritize your well-being by getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly, eating nutritious meals, and engaging in some form of exercise. A positive mindset and effective stress management are just as important as content review for optimal performance on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.